back to this week's Wednesday walkthrough. I'm excited to show you the Coachmen Northern Spirit 2023. This is a 2557 RV. The 25 means the box is 25 foot length. The 57 means it is 5,700 pounds, and this is a rear bath. So we're gonna start here at the end because I wanna show you how spacious this rear bath is. Look at all the space. It spans the width of the camper. The amount of counter space, you've got storage over the sink, storage over the toilet, and the large shower that comes perfect with that skylight. So if you're over 6 foot, have no worries. You're gonna have plenty of headroom here. Now, down here, you're gonna have the pass-through lighting that's gonna come on as you walk. Great feature for at nighttime when you're walking across the camper to go to the bathroom. We have the dual recliners here. Ideal in a couples coach because it's directly across from the TV. On the TV, you're gonna see the wireless dock for charging your phone. Perfect as you're sitting here at night watching TV. Now, I'm gonna show you my favorite feature of the entire camper, the hidden pantry. Look at all that room. You've got space for kitchen stuff, outdoor stuff, hanging space, tons of room behind this TV, which in my opinion is the best feature. Now, we are still in the kitchen. We've got the freezer on top of the refrigerator here. You've got the stove, microwave, of course, sink, plenty of counter space in that corner with storage up top and a counter extender here. Love the booth. You can always lay that table down for some extra sleeping space. You've got the square booth here with storage under both sides. One of the better features here, you've got the food and water for your dog. So we're gonna finish up here in the master bedroom. Notice as you walk in, the bed is lifted. Look at that space. Every Coachmen Northern Spirit is going to come exactly like this with, when you lift the bed, all the space underneath. Now, we lay the bed flat at night, plenty of room to sleep with storage on both sides as well as cabinets at the top. So if you're in the market for a couples coach, again, this comes in right under 30 foot. It's 5,700 pounds, easy half-ton towable. This is the ideal one for you. This is the Coachmen Northern Spirit 2557 RV. Come down to Adventure Camper Sales and see it for yourself.